What's going on, guys? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Google Meet onto a laptop or desktop computer. And if you find this helpful and you're new to the channel, please drop a like on the video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you've got the Google Chrome browser, as that's the one we'll be using to do this. And if you go ahead and open that up, and all you need to do is on the home screen, the Google home screen, if you come to the top right hand corner where it says Google Apps up here, these dots up here, give that a click. And you'll see Meet is down here, so we're just going to click on that. And what we're going to do is go to the top right hand corner and click the three dots up here. And then what we're going to do is come down to More Tools. And then we're going to click this one here which says Create Shortcut. And it's just going to come up with a confirmation message. Just go ahead and click create down here. And now what's going to happen if I close down the internet, you will see it's downloaded it here. So all I need to do is just double click and it's going to take me straight down to Google Meet. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please drop a like on the video, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do want to help support the digital tutor channel and help its growth, there is a link below the video to help by purchasing a coffee for the team here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.